guys! Sa araw na ito, ay nais ko po sa inyo i-share ang learn the different medical terms. Kung may nais po kayo para bastahan ng ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So, heto na, sisimulan na po natin ang mga difficult medical terms. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
The human body. Acetabulum, a socket in the hip bone to take the rounded head of the femur. Acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that triggers activity by muscles or secretory glands. Adenosine triphosphate or ATP, a compound that stores chemical energy in cells. Agenesis, incomplete development of body or part of body. Agglutination, clumping of red blood cells or antigens caused by the actions of antibodies. Aldosterone, an adrenal gland hormone that acts on the kidneys to help maintain the balance of salt in the body. Allantois, a sac-like fetal membrane developing into umbilical cord and forming part of placenta. Alveoli, outer canal of ear. Amphimysis, joining of firm plasma of two individuals in sexual reproduction. Amylopsin, digestive ferment in pancreatic juice. Anulary, medical term for the ring finger. Anthropotomy, human anatomy. Aqueous humor, water fluid filling the chamber of the eye in front of the lens. Autointoxication, poisoning due to toxins produced in body. Axilia, medical term for the armpit. Bacteremia, presence of bacteria in blood. Bacteriophage, virus causing destruction of bacteria. Bacteriostasis, prevention of growth of bacteria. Forbigerus, hummingbird. Basilar membrane, a structure of the inner ear. Buccal cavity, medical term for the mouth. Cellulite, fatty deposits usually found on the thighs and buttocks. Cerebellum, the largest part of the hindbrain, is sprouting below the back of the cerebrum. Chevelure, a head of hair. Cholecyst, a gallbladder. Cholecystokinin, a hormone that causes the gallbladder to contract and so release bile into the duodenum. Clavicle, medical term for the collarbone. Coagulation, a blood clotting. Cholomelinaceae, the bottom part of the nose between the nostrils. Comedo, blackhead. Corpus callosum, the band of nerve fibers joining both hemispheres of the cerebrum. Corpus luteum, yellow endocrine tissue formed in the ovary from the ruptured Graafian follicle. Cyclarthrosis, pivot joint. Cysis, pregnancy. Deglutition, medical term for swallowing. Deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, a nucleic acid in the cell's chromosomes which contains the cell's coded genetic instructions. Desmology, study of ligaments. Diastema, medical term for a natural gap between two teeth. Diencephalon, the between brain area of the forebrain between the midbrain and cerebral hemispheres. Disaccharides, sugars formed from two monosaccharide molecules such as lactose, maltose, and sucrose. Electrolytes, a substance that dissociates into ions in solutions and acquires the capacity to conduct electricity. Anarthrosis, ball and socket joint. Endometrium, the mucous membrane that lines the uterus and is shed during menstruation. Endothelium, the cell layer lining the inside of the circulatory and lymphatic systems. Enkephalins, peptides in the brain that acts as natural painkillers. Epididymis, plural is epididymides, a cold tubule on each testis where sperm are stored and mature. Epigastrium, part of the abdomen lying over the stomach. Epinephrine or adrenaline, a hormone produced by the adrenal glands to prepare the body for fight or flight in conditions of stress. Epithelium, the layer of cells covering the body surface and lining the alimentary canal and respiratory and urinary tracts. Ergosterol, chemical substance in the body developing into vitamin D on exposures to sunlight. Erythrocytes, medical term for red blood cells. Ethmoid bone, a bone forming the side walls of the nose. Eumenorrhea, normal menstruation. Eunia, normal breathing. Eustachian tube or auditory tube, a tube between the middle ear and the throat. Extensor, the muscle extending limb. Fallopian tubes or uterine tubes or oviducts, the tubes through which ova or eggs travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Femur, medical term for the thigh bone. Fibrinogen, a soluble protein in blood converted to insoluble fibrin by the enzyme thrombin, which thus triggers clotting. Follicle stimulating hormone or FSH, a hormone that stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicles in females and sperm production in males. Fontanelle, soft gap between the bones in a baby's skull. Gamogenesis, sexual reproduction. Ganglion, a mass of nerve cells bodies outside the central nervous system. Gastrulation, the formation of a tube-shaped embryo with 3 germ layers. Gyneglymus, a hinge joint. Glomerulus, a convoluted mass of blood-filtering capillaries in a nephron. Glucagon, a hormone that breaks down glycagon to glucose. Glucocorticoids, hormones that control the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. Gluteus maximus, the largest and heaviest muscle in the body. Glycemia, presence of glucose in the blood. Granulocytes, white blood cells with cytoplasm that contains granules. Gravidity, medical term for pregnancy. Growth hormone or somatotropin, growth-stimulating hormone produced by the anterior prone pituitary gland. Hematopoiesis or hemopoiesis, the production of blood cells in red bone marrow. Hemochrome, the red coloring matter of the blood. Haversian canals or osteonic canals, tiny canals in bone containing nerves and blood vessels and surrounded by concentric rings of cells. High-density lipoprotein, what HDL medical term for good cholesterol stands for. Humerus, the upper arm bone. Hyoid bone, U-shaped bone at base of tongue. Hypochondrium, either of the 2 regions of the upper part of the abdomen. Hypothalamus, part of the brain that controls body temperature and appetite. Ichor, a watery fluid discharge from wound. Ileum, the last part of the small intestine. Interciliary, between eyebrows. Intercostal, between ribs. Interferon, immune system proteins that help to protect cells against attack by some kinds of viruses. Interstitial cells, cells in the testes that produce the male sex hormone testosterone. Intervertebral disc, the fibrocartilaginous disc between 2 vertebrae. Jejunum, the middle part of the small intestines between the duodenum and ileum. Lateral epicondylitis, medical term for tennis elbow. Leukoposis, the formation of leukocytes. Leukocytes, medical term for white blood cells. Lysotrachus, having straight hair. Lunula, scientific name for the small pale area at the base of fingernails. Macropsia or macropsy, disease of eye causing objects to seem very large. Masseter, muscle raising lower jaw. Majus, scientific name for the middle finger. Medulla oblongata, the lowest part of the brain stem which contains the vital centers controlling heartbeat and respiration. Metacarpophalangeal joint, medical term for a knuckle. Metacarpus, hand between wrist and base of fingers. Metatarsus, foot between ankle and base of toe. Minimus, scientific name for the smallest digit on the human hand and foot. Mithridatism, immunity from poison obtained from consuming series of small doses. Mitochondria, structures in a cell cytoplasm that play a major role in the breakdown of food molecules to release energy. Motor neuron or motoneuron, a nerve cell that carries messages from the central nervous system to a muscle or gland. Myocardium, cardiac muscles forming the middle layer of the heart wall. Myoglobin, protein carrying oxygen to muscle. Myopia, medical term for nearsightedness. Myringa, eardrum. Nares, medical term for the nostrils. Nasion, a technical term for the space between the eyebrows. Neurohyposis, the posterior part of the pituitary gland. Neurotoxin, poison that attacks the nervous system. Olecranon, projecting bone of elbow. Operon, the group of genes operating as a unit. Ospresis, sense of smell. Osteocytes, the mature bone cells. Palpebra, eyelid. Pancreatic islands or islets of Langerhans, scattered endocrine regions in the pancreas that produce glucagon and insulin. Parietal bones, two fused bones forming the top of the skull. Patella, the medical term for the kneecap. Pepsin, a protein digesting enzyme in the stomach. Pericardium, the two-layered membranes enclosing the heart. Peritoneum, a slippery membrane lining the abdomen and its organs. Phagocytosis, a process by which certain cells engulf and destroy foreign particles or microorganisms such as bacteria. Phalanges, finger and toe bones. Philtrum, scientific name for the indentation above the upper lip. Phlebology, science of veins. Photoreceptors, light-sensitive cells in the retina. Pollex, a medical term for the thumb. Proprioceptor, sense organ receptive to stimuli from within the body. Prostaglandins, fatty acids with local hormone-like and other effects. Tyelin, enzyme of saliva acting on starch. Forlicue, space between extended thumb and index finger. Phylorus, opening from stomach into intestine. Quadriceps, thigh muscle extending leg. Reticular formation, a system of nerve cells in the brainstem controlling consciousness. Rhodocyte, red blood corpuscle. Ribonucleic acid or RNA, the nucleic acids that help to produce proteins in living cells. Salpinx, Eustachian or fallopian tube. Scapula, a medical term for the shoulder blade. Sensorium, part of the brain that receives and processes sensory stimuli. Serotonin, a neurotransmitter in the brain involved in sleep and mood. Chalagogic, a substance promoting salivation. Sphincter, a ring-shaped muscle that contracts to close an orifice. Spiloma, birthmark. Spleen, a large organ behind the stomach that filters and stores blood. Sternum, a medical term for the breastbone. Striated muscle, muscle made of striped fibers. Subcutaneous tissue, the sheet of connective tissue below the dermis. Synovial joint, a freely movable joint with a cavity lined by synovial membrane and lubricated by synovial fluid. Telencephalon, the end brain front subdivision of the forebrain which contains the cerebral hemispheres. Thalamus, part of brain with a coordinating and relaying function. Tenar, medical term for the fleshy masses of muscle at the base of the thumb and the outer side of the palm of the hand. Thrombin, substance in blood helping to form fibrin in clotting. Tibia, medical term for the shin bone. Trypsin, pancreatic enzyme digesting protein. Tympanic membrane, medical term for the eardrum. Umbilical cord, the cord that joins a fetus to a placenta. Umbilicus, a medical term for the navel. Vitreous humor, a jelly-like substance in the eyeball between the lens and the retina. Vomer, thin bone separating nasal passages. Vulva or pudendum, the external female genitals. Zygomatic bone, the cheekbone.
A few moments later.
Disorder of the body. Achromatopsia, medical term for color blindness. Acromegaly, enlargement of extremities, head, hands, and jaw due to excess secretion of pituitary gland. Adenitis, inflammation of glands. Adenoma, a tumor of a gland. Agalactia, absence or lack of milk secretion. Agiostia, absence of sense of taste. Agranulocytosis, serious blood disease marked by great reduction in the non-granular leukocytes. Agrypnia, sleeplessness. Alginuresis, painful urination, alposis, lack of skin pigmentation, Alzheimer's disease, the progressive degeneration of the brain resulting in dementia or mental deterioration, amaurosis, loss of sight without noticeable change in eye due to failure of optic nerve, P. sinister, awkwardness in the use of both left hands, amenorrhea, the abnormal absence of menstruation, anaphrodisia, absence of sexual desire, ankylostomiasis or ankylostomiasis, infestation with hookworms leading to anemia, angiitis, inflammation of vessel, anisometropia, condition of eyes having unequal refractive power, ankylosing spondylitis, a disease in which joints become inflamed and later fuse, anodontia, absence of teeth, anosmia, a medical term for the absence of a sense of smell, anosemia, condition resulting from insufficient aeration of blood, anthracosis, presence of coal dust in lungs, anuria, condition in which no urine is produced, aphasia, inability to swallow, aponia, loss of voice, aphthyalism, a lack or absence of saliva, arrhythmia or dysrhythmia, an irregular or abnormal heartbeat, asphyxia or suffocation, atelectasis, incomplete dilatation or collapse of lungs, ateliosis, imperfect development, atrichia, baldness, variecoia, hardness of hearing, variponia, difficulty of speech, blepharitis, inflammation of the eyelids, borborygmus, scientific name for stomach rumbling, brachymetropia, short-sightedness, bromidrosis, strongly smelling perspiration, bruxism, grinding of teeth especially in sleep, bubo, swelling with inflammation of lymphatic gland especially of groin, bulimia nervosa, excessive overeating compensated for by forced vomiting, ophthalmia, enlargement of eye, cachemia, poison condition of blood, calcicosis, lung disease due to inhaling limestone dust, canitis, medical term for the graying or whitening of hair, cardiomyopathy, disease of the heart muscle, carditis, inflammation of the heart, caries, dentist term for tooth decay, cephalgia, medical term for headache, cerebral edema, swelling of the brain often resulting from head injury, cerumen, medical term for earwax, chalicosis or Flyn's disease, stonecutter's lung disease due to inhaling stone dust, cheilitis, inflammation of the lip, chonoblepsia, snow blindness, charagra, gout of the fingers, chlamydia, a sexually transmitted disease caused by a bacterium, cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder, chromatopathy, disease causing abnormal coloration of skin, coelialgia, pain in belly, contusion, medical term for a bruise, kyphosis, deafness, coprostasis, constipation, coryza, medical term for the common cold, crasamentum, clot of blood, cretinism, dwarfism, and mental retardation caused by too little thyroxine in childhood, crinus, hairy, cryptorchidism, condition in which one or both testes do not descend normally, cyanosis, heart condition or disease causing blueness of surface of body, cyananche, any inflammatory disease of throat, cystitis, inflammation of the bladder, dextrocardia, condition in which the heart is on the right hand side of the chest, diaphoresis, medical term for sweating or perspiration, diotic, affecting both ears, diplegia, paralysis of corresponding parts on both sides of the body, diplopia, medical term for double vision, dipsosis, the great tears due to disease, dysesthesia, loss of sense of touch, dyschromatopsia, colorblind, dysentery, a bacterial or amoebic infection causing bloody diarrhea transmitted by infected food or water, dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation usually caused by contraction of the uterus, dyspepsia, medical term for indigestion, dysphagia, difficulty swallowing, Dyspnea, difficult breathing. Ecmyosis, medical term for bruise. Endometriosis, the growth of endometrial uterus lining cells outside of the uterus. Epipora, watering of eyes. Epistaxis, the medical term for a nosebleed. Eructation, medical term for burping. Fibrillation, rapid irregular contractions of the heart. Gastroenteritis, inflammation of the stomach and intestines commonly through virus infection. Gastroesophageal reflux or acid indigestion, medical term for the digestive disorder that causes heartburn. Geromorphism, having appearance of age greater than one's real age. Gingiva, dentist term for the gums. Glomerulonephritis, inflammation of the glomeruli, part of kidney's filtering network. Gomposis, the growth of tooth into bone cavity. Gonitis, inflammation of knee. Graphospasm, medical term for writer's cramp. Gauterotetany, throat spasm causing stammer. Gynecomastia, excessive growth of the male mammary gland caused by oversecretion of feminizing hormones. Hebephrenia, schizophrenia occurring at puberty. Hematencephalon, hemorrhage into brain. Hematuria, discharge of blood. Hematuria, the presence of blood in the urine. Hemophthalmia, discharge of blood into eye. Hodgkin's lymphoma or Hodgkin's disease, cancer of the lymph tissues. Hyperglycemia, excess sugar in the blood. Hypermetropia or hyperopia, medical term for farsightedness. Hyperphysis or hyperpiesia, high blood pressure. Hyperpnea, abnormally fast breathing. Hypertrichosis, excessive hairiness. Hypocatexis, abnormal absence of desire for an object. Hypoglycemia, abnormal low levels of sugar in the blood. Hypometropia, short-sightedness. Hypothyroidism, deficient thyroid activity resulting in cretinism. Hypotrichosis, lack of hair. Hyposemia, insufficient oxygen in the blood. Hysteresis, inflammation of the uterus. Hysteropathy, disease of womb. Keratosis, excessive growth of horny tissue of skin. Labyrinthitis, inflammation of the inner ear usually caused by the infection. Lagophthalmos, condition of incomplete closure of eye. Leuconychia, medical term for the white spots on fingernails caused by minor injury. Low density lipoprotein, what LDL stands for, medical term for bad cholesterol. Lysa, rabies or hydrophobia. Madarosis, loss of eyelashes or eyebrows. Meluturia, the presence of any sugar in the urine. Microtia, abnormal smallness of ear. Moniliasis or candidiasis, a fungal infection that affects moist skin areas. Monophthalmos, congenital absence of one eye. Monoplegia, paralysis of one part of body only, especially one limb. Myalgia, muscular rheumatism. Myectopy or myectopia, dislocation of muscle. Narcohypnia, numb feeling experience on awakening. Naupassia, seasickness. Nocturia, abnormal urination at night. Nyctalopia or night blindness, the inability to see well in dim light. Nystagmus, involuntary lateral movement of the eyeballs. Oligocythemia, deficiency of red corpuscles in blood. Onychitis, inflammation of root or side of nail. Onychophagia, nail biting. Onyxis, ingrowing nail. Otalgia, any form of earache. Osteostomia, foul-smelling breath. Panarthritis, arthritis of all joints of body. Paracusia, abnormality of hearing. Paraguesia, abnormality in taste sense. Paralexia, transposition of words or syllables in reading due to brain damage. Paramenia, abnormality of menstruation. Parastigmatism, inability to pronounce sound of S. Parysmion, tonsil. Parorexia, desire to eat strange foods. Parotitis, medical term for the mumps. Paroxysm, sudden convulsion or fit. Pathogenesis, origin or development of disease. Perforated eardrum, a tear or erosion of the eardrum often resulting from the middle ear infection. Pertussis, medical term for the whooping cough. Phagedaena, extensive ulceration. Taneromania, habit of biting nails and picking at scars. Phlebitis, inflammation of a vein. Phthisis, tuberculosis of lungs. Phthisis bulbi, a shrunken globe usually from cis aqueous humor formation. Phyma, a skin tumor. Pityriasis, scaly skin infection. Fluorodynia, pain in muscles of chest or side. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanosis, a disease caused by the prolonged inhalation of fine siliceous dust. Pogoniasis, overgrowth of beard or growth of beard in woman. Poliosis, grayness of hair. Polycythemia, blood condition with abnormal numbers of red blood cells. Polydipsia, abnormal tears. Polyhidrosis or hyperhidrosis, excessive perspiration. Polypnea, rapid breathing. Presbycusis, hardness of hearing in old age. Presbyopenia, loss of memory in old age. Presbyopia, long-sightedness in old age. Prosopagnosia, inability to recognize faces. Pruritus, medical term for itching. Celiac, the condition of stuttering or stammering. Synesthesia, imaginary feeling as of pain. Pseudochromasthesia, mental association of sounds with colors. Pseudochromia, false color perception. Psilocysis, falling of hair. Sorophthalmia, scurfy inflammation of the eyes. Pterygium, fleshy growth over inner corner of eyeball. Ptiliosis, loss of eyelashes. Arthrosis, suppuration in joint. Pyelitis, inflammation of the kidney outlet. Pyelonephritis, kidney infection caused by bacteria. Pyrexia, medical term for a fever. Viruses, heartburn. Rachitis, childhood disease caused by a deficiency of vitamin D and sunlight. Ramex, hernia. Craseta, scientific name for the creases of skin on the inside surface of the wrist. Retinitis pigmentosa, degeneration of the light-sensitive cells of the retina. Retinoblastoma, cancer of the retina. Retrovirus, virus that synthesizes DNA from RNA rather than the usual reverse. Rhabdomyoma, tumor of striated muscle. Rhigosis, sensation of cold. Rhinitis, inflammation and swelling of the mucous membrane of the nose. Rhinorrhea, the medical term for a runny nose. Rubella, medical term for the measles. Rhotidosis, wrinkling. Salpingitis, inflammation of the fallopian tubes caused by bacterial infection. Saprodontia, decay of teeth. Saprostomus, having foul breath. Schizophrenia, it is a serious mental illness that affects how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. Scoliosis, abnormal curvature of the spine to the side. Syngultus, medical term for a hiccup. Solinitis, inflammation of the spleen. Somnambulism, the medical term for sleepwalking. Sphincterism, apparent vision of sparks due to shock. Sternutation, medical term for sneezing. Stomatitis, inflammation of the mouth. Streptococcus, a group of bacteria that causes a multitude of diseases. Socorea, an abnormal increase in the secretion of a digestive fluid. Tachycardia, abnormally rapid heartbeat. Tachypnea, abnormally rapid breathing. Thalalgia, pain in heel or ankle. Talposis, sensation of warmth. Thermasthesia, sensitivity to various degrees of heat and cold. Tinea pedis, a medical term for athlete's foot. Tinnitus, a ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. Toxemia, blood poisoning due to toxins in blood. Toxoplasmosis, infection by a parasite that can affect the retina. Trachoma, chronic form of conjunctivitis. Trichiasis, ingrowing eyelashes. Tritanopia, inability to distinguish properly between blue and yellow. Diphletis, inflammation of cecum. Typology, study of blindness. Uveitis, inflammation of gums. Vaginismus, painful contraction of the vagina. valvular stenosis, narrowing of a heart valve which causes the heart to work harder to push blood around the body. Varicella, medical term for a chicken pox. Varicose vein, a vein usually on the leg that has become swollen and twisted by internal pressure. Vasoconstriction, constriction of blood vessels. Venenation, poison state from animal origin. Vitiligo, condition characterized by smooth white patches on the skin. Whitlow, abscess on finger, especially round nail. Wrist ganglion, a lump in the wrist produced by a cyst affecting a tendon. Serophthalmia, a disease caused by a vitamin A deficiency. Zymosis, the development and spread of an infectious disease.
A few moments later.
Medicine. Acetyl salicylic acid or ASA, chemical name of aspirin. Acreflavin, a brown red hydrochloride antiseptic for wounds. Anticholinergic, drugs that block the action of acetylcholine, a chemical messenger. Anticoagulants, used to reduce or prevent blood clotting. Anticonvulsant, a drug used to prevent convulsions. Anhelmintics, used to prevent or treat infestation by parasitic worms. Antihistamine, any drug counteracting effect of histamine, especially in treatment of allergies. Antihypertensive drugs, used to prevent or treat high blood pressure and thus heart and circulatory disease. Antiodontalgic, a drug used against toothache. Antipruritics, used to reduce or prevent itching of the skin or mucous membranes. Antitussives, used to reduce or prevent coughing. Antivenin, serum used against snake bite. Anxiolytic drugs, this relieve the anxiety states of medically diagnosed patients. Aphrodisiac drugs, a drug inducing sexual desire. Cardiotachometer, instrument for measuring heart rate. Cephalosporins, antibiotics related to penicillin used to treat bacterial infections. Chelating agents, these are used to treat metal poisoning by absorbing metals in the bloodstream. Collyrium, eye wash or ointment. Covius, incubator for human infants. Decongestants, used to reduce mucus in the air passages of the nose. Dermatherm, instrument for measuring skin temperature. Diaphoretic, a drug causing perspiration. Joptometer, instrument measuring refractive power of eye. Dolorimetry, measurement of pain. Electuary, medical remedy in syrup. Gastroscope, instrument for examining interior of stomach. Hemostatic drugs, used to prevent or reduce bleeding. They are mostly injected or infused. Hydrocortisone, a drug used to treat low cortisol levels caused by diseases of the adrenal gland. Mecometer, instrument for measuring the length of a newborn infant. Otoacoustic, an instrument aiding hearing. Otorhinolaryngologist, specialist in the conditions of the ear, nose, and throat. Percutaneous, taking effect through the skin. Posology, study of medical doses. Pulse oximeter, used to measure the oxygen level of the blood. Sphygmomanometer, technical term for the device that measures blood pressure. Streptomycin, antibiotic produced by soil fungus used chiefly against tuberculosis. Synoptophore, instrument correcting defects in eye muscle. Tourniquet, a device to stop bleeding, as a bandage twisted tight by a stick.
A few moments later.
Surgical procedures. Accouchement, childbirth. Accoucheus, female midwife. Adenectomy, surgery to remove a gland. Amniotomy, rupturing the membrane surrounding the fetus, usually in order to induce labor. Anoplasty, plastic surgery. Aneurysmectomy, surgery to remove aneurysm. Appendectomy, surgery to remove the appendix. Balloon angioplasty, surgery to expand narrowed arteries by inserting a catheter. Blepharoplasty, surgery to remove bags under the eyes, usually for cosmetic reasons. Cardiomyotomy, surgery to open the heart muscle. Chemotherapy, treatment or disease, especially cancer and infection, using drugs or chemical agents. Colectomy, surgery to remove the colon. Cosmetic surgery, any surgery carried out to enhance patient's appearance. Debridement, a surgical method of removing contaminated tissue. Defibrillate, restore normal rhythm to the heart after a heart attack. Depilation, removal of hair. Dermatoplasty, plastic surgery of skin. Gastrectomy, surgery to remove the stomach either part or whole. Hysterotomy, cesarean cut. Litonephrotomy, surgery to remove a kidney stone. Lobotomy, surgery to remove part of the brain. Lymphadenectomy, surgery to remove a lymph node. Mastectomy, surgery to remove a breast. Myringotomy, making an incision in eardrum to release fluid trapped inside. Nephrectomy, surgery to remove a kidney. Orthodontics, correction of irregularity of teeth. Parabiosis, union of two organisms sharing blood circulation. Parathyroidectomy, surgery to remove the parathyroid tumors. Plasmapheresis, process of separating plasma from red blood cells in blood from donor and returning red blood cells to donor. Phlebotomy, the procedure of punctuating a vein used to withdraw blood. Radectomy, removal of part of tooth root. Rhinoplasty or nose job, medical term for plastic surgery of the nose. Rhizotomy, cutting nerve roots from spinal cord used to relieve pain. Salpingectomy, surgery to remove one or both fallopian tubes. Sigmoidoscopy, a diagnostic method of examining the rectum and colon using a special type of endoscope called a sigmoidoscope. Thrombectomy, surgery to remove a blood clot. Tonsillectomy, surgery to remove the tonsils. Vasectomy, surgery to cut the vas deferens.
A few moments later.
Alternative healing. Acupuncture, it is a form of treatment that involves inserting very thin needles through a person's skin at specific points on the body to various depths. Alimentotherapy, treatment by dieting. Aromatherapy, using essential plant oils to improve physical and mental well-being, often involving massage. Bacteriotherapy, medical treatment with bacteria. Crystal therapy, the use of naturally occurring crystals for healing purposes. Dower is cloth, long drug-induced sleep use as psychiatric remedy. Hydrotherapy, the use of water to heal. Panacea, universal cure. Pelotherapy, medical treatment by mud baths. Psychoprophylaxis, use of relaxation techniques to lessen pain in childbirth. Radiopraxis, medical use of radioactivity. Shiatsu, it is an alternative technique that involves manual pressure applied to specific points on the body in an attempt to relieve tension and pain. Thalassotherapy, it is the tonic effect of time spent in the sea or in sea water. Theotherapy, faith healing. Yoga, it is a type of exercise in which you move your body into various positions in order to become more fit or flexible, to improve your breathing and to relax your mind.
A few moments later.
Ito po ay part 2 ng ating top 100 essential medical terms. Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!